Hurricane's coming, hurricane's coming. I'm being serious, there is a hurricane coming. I don't, take it super lighthearted, but I do try to keep positive with this whole, everything that goes on with hurricanes. Anyway, I got to weld this, and I got to move the RVs out here from the track. But before we do that, let's go back to yesterday when it was Willis wearing the mayor's shirt, giving the hill a haircut. Does that make sense? Check this out. Woo! Yeah. I'm glad I don't have to mow the sides of the hills right now. Woo! Somebody said my laugh sounded evil in the comments. I wasn't sure if I should take that as a compliment or like, does I sound like a bad guy? I couldn't resist. I wanted to get this filmed because, you know why? We're gonna give a hill a haircut. As you can see, the workers are way up there. They've been working themselves down the hill there. Yes, it's definitely turned brown. As you see, the greenness goes away. And that's what's kind of a bummer, but by the time the big race gets here, it should be back to green. But what experiment am I doing? I'm giving this hill right here a haircut. Check it out, bam. So this hill, this is that long grass, right? So kind of give you an idea. Stay up, oh, whoa, caught you. You're good. So this grass, once you cut it down really low, like those hills, it's not very green, it's brown on the bottom. So what I've gotten is the hedge trimmers. I've come along, I just started trimming the tops off. I did it over there. I'm debating on whether or not to show you or not. I think I'm just gonna let you watch this and watch this hill get a haircut. Are you ready? Ready to see what I got? Are you ready? Oh yeah! Ooh, look out! Watch out! Watch out! All right, here we go. Look at that. It's like when your best friend does your haircut and tells you he knows how to cut hair. And what does that mean? How's that looking? Looking like the first day on a job for somebody who just started cutting hair, huh? Check it out. I'm not sure if you guys can really tell them or not, but it's definitely about a lot better because we don't got the long grass, but you still got the green grass. Now, the grass that I just cut at the top, it will little by little fall in, but it won't be looking brown dead like those. So I think we're gonna do this whole hill. What do you think? It's well, it's not perfect, but it's green. Still green. That's what I like. But you never know. We might take it down. Me and the captain will discuss it, but there's still a bit more to go, and we're just gonna keep getting at it. So I'm definitely liking it compared to the super longness. But I wanted to go ahead and give this hill a haircut right here real quick. Boy, see that 3 times real fast. Give this hill right here a haircut real quick. Give this hill a haircut. Yeah, screw it. Hopefully I recorded all that. Now what I'll do is I'll just rake this stuff down and Paul can mow it. Now I can go back and fine tune it, really make it look nice. All right, my worker needs some help. I'll be right back. So now I'll go ahead and, ow, that hit my shin. Now I'll go ahead and give it like a little clean sweep. Now they got something to work with. Looks a lot better that way than all brown. Yeah, most certainly looks, you know, again, compared to just taking it all down like over there, which we'll have to see that hill over there. We'll definitely just have to go ahead and take it all the way down just because of the fact that it'll match it. But the ones that have the good long grass, like that one there, oh, and I'm pointing. I'm gonna try and do the same thing with that one, make them all look good. Well, I got back to this hill and started going to town and didn't hit record, so you guys missed some. Ow. Let's go ahead and once again pull down the long stuff so don't just lay on top and it can be mowed out. It's definitely a lot faster and easier than weed eating. Man, it looks green. All right, last little bit. My goodness, the slippery. So I'll just do this twice. I like doing everything twice. Fun stuff, right? Good times, good times, good times. Well, here's what's going on right there, right now. This actually broke yesterday. There's a crack right there. I'm not sure if you can see it, but I went ahead and ground it up, and I brought my welder today. We're gonna go ahead and throw a bead on there. That way we can put the bucket on here, and we can go ahead and get this these RVs moved up underneath these trees. The reason is because of these big old trees, and we want to move the RVs. Move the RVs from the trees. That's what we gotta do. First things first, get the welder close to the outlet. Closer to the outlet, I don't have to use a cord and all that stuff. That's why I do that. All right, for any of you experienced welders out there, I'm not experienced. I didn't know really what I'm doing, but I try. So I do know I need to make a place where I can hook the ground up. See what we can do. I can't see nothing in this mask. I'm just gooping it on here. I really can't see nothing. Kind of a bummer. Welcome to Welding Meditations with Willis. Let me see it. Ah, I thought I was gonna touch it. Crazy. I can't really tell too well, but I guess I should probably get my regular glasses so I can see. But I didn't lose them already. Man. Okay, so it's not real pretty, but there's a big old bead on top. I'm gonna put some more on there. I'm basically kind of grinding it up a little bit, give it a little more shine. That way I can put some more bead down. Got a big old glob on there. Now what I'll do is I'll paint it and we'll be good to go until it breaks next time. Everybody keep in mind, that's just a small welder. It's, you know, not that big of a welder, so we'll see if it holds. See if it locks in. It's amazing what a little bit of grease will do. Now it's time to go get the bucket. So far, so good. It's holding on. We'll see. Whoa, whoa, whoa. This will be the first one. Okay, getting the rear jacks up. They're up. Both of them are up. Yep, they're up. We can unhook the power and time to move this bad boy. I'm leaving the slides out, and it should be fine. Let's do it. Gotta check it. I can go up a little higher just to be safe. We should be okay. The reason why I go above it, it's got this hydraulic brakes and I'm underneath it. You can say bye-bye, Willis. Can you guys tell me when I'm too far back? I can't tell. Oh, I meant when I'm close to the fence. All right. Is that a harm's way? Hey! Man, you guys just took a face plant. You guys are right now face down in the dirt. Oh, you're still recording the grass. You guys should have did that. That wasn't cool. Anyway, what's cool is I got that one done. Now I gotta get the other ones done. I'm gonna actually move back a little bit more. There we go. Now we can still drive around. Yeah, we're trying to eliminate any of those. Falling on that. Same thing with these ones over here. Captains, we're discussing that as well. We might go ahead and move his as well. On a positive note, the one thing about it is I actually needed to move this one closer because the big races are coming up and we'll pack 12 RVs in here. And I got about, a lot of room there that when I back it back in, it'll be, when the slide out's on, it'll be as close as I can get to this one. So we can squeeze more RVs in. All right, time to get this one ready. All right, I gotta find a little button to release the jacks, and then RV number 2 will be moved. Oh, there goes Captain. We just had a good conversation. Anyway, gonna go ahead and try and figure out how to get this down. I love you like a brother too, my brother. Alright, let's see. Side to side, front to rear. Auto retract, enter to begin. Whoa. There it goes. It's auto retracting. It's going down. Ah! Well, I wasn't supposed to do that. All right, all the jacks are up. Time to pick it up and move it. Sorry, you guys, I left you over here hanging. My bad. Okay, we got 2 down. A couple more to go. This is our head of security's RV, Big John, so we'll get this out of the way next. RV movie meditation with Willis.